People suffering with ears ringing, buzzing, whistling, pulsing, clicking, or hissing, listen up. Now there's an all-natural cure that can silence the noises in your ears and restore your sense of serenity and dramatically improve your quality of life. Even if your tinnitus is so severe you have suffering, pain, or mild hearing loss, this holistic treatment can help you reclaim your hearing and get significant results in less than a week. Tinnitus Miracle was recently created by Thomas Coleman after traditional treatment methods failed to cure his tinnitus. Before discovering the cure, Thomas tried everything and even underwent surgery to alleviate the tinnitus, but he did not get the results he needed. Thomas' tinnitus was so severe he routinely had hallucinations. After 14 years of living with tinnitus and tired of dealing with pain, distraction, and diminished quality of life, Thomas set out to find an all-natural, effective cure that would silence the constant ringing. Finally, after more than 45,000 hours of intensive medical research, Thomas developed a clinically proven way to cure tinnitus and quiet the noise once and for all. Now Thomas is helping others cure their tinnitus and benefit from the pain and suffering he once endured. With the Tinnitus Miracle System, no one has to live with tinnitus any longer. Surgery, drugs, muscle relaxants, and vitamins simply do not deliver the results offered by Tinnitus Miracle. Get the Tinnitus Miracle System today and silence the ringing, buzzing, hissing, and pulsing by next week.